You have the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, and all you want to do is factory reset your phone, hard reset it, and you're following the instructions, volume up, power, and you let go as soon as you see the Samsung logo, and you're expecting it to bring the Android recovery menu right up, but instead the phone just reboots. All right, there's an easy solution to it, but first let's go over the two questions that everyone asks throughout my channel, which is this. Okay, when you do finally get to the Android recovery menu and you scroll down, wipe data, factory reset, everyone asks this question. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter your Google account, a Gmail account information. There is no bypass. You 100% still need to log in with your Google Gmail or the original email that you set this phone up. Don't get tricked into these other videos that show like pound hash and all these weird numbers and then start the phone again. All of those are scams and all of those are wrong. You need to enter your Google account information. All right, the second question is when you press power for OK to get to the next screen and they ask you to confirm, and this is the answer right here. Will this wipe all user data? Yes, this cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. All photos, all apps, all messages, all contacts, everything will be erased. So if you can still do a backup, do a backup. If you are resetting your phone because you've lost your PIN, pattern, or password, it might be worth taking a few minutes to try to remember your PIN, pattern, or password. All right, let's get into it. All right, now with the device power off, before we do the button combo, all we're going to do is get our charging cord out, and we're going to connect the USB-C to the USB, and this can go to any laptop or any computer, or if you have the USB-C to USB-C, you can connect it to a tablet, or if your laptop has the USB-C port, you can just connect it there. And then as soon as you're connected, let me connect to mine. As soon as you're connected, we're connected here. Now do the button combo. Volume up, power. Hold, let go as soon as you see the Samsung logo. And now it will bring up the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, scroll down, wipe data, factory reset. Read and understand this warning. Then press power for OK. And then when we get to the confirmation, read and understand this warning. One more time, scroll down once, factory data reset, press power for OK. And your phone may take several minutes to just a few seconds to get that data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and please watch this video next.